wants to view paradise. And you simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world. There's nothing to it.
The end. Oh.
We missed it? Maybe you could read another one.
Oh, I'm sorry, Gus, but that's the only Cinderella book there is.
Yeah, Gus, you heard her. The end. That's all. Maybe we can make another book. We can tell the story and make the drawings. Yeah.
Oh, what an excellent idea.
Oh, no. Wait a minute. Who'd want to read a book made by mice?
Cinderella would read it. And if you made it, I know that she'd love it.
But we don't know how to make a book.
Oh, don't worry, dear. I think I can help. Saladadoola, menchikaboola, bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Put 'em together and what have you got? Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo.
Thinking friends? I like that. And the monster. What's a good name for the monster? What's a good monster name? Giant what? Giant ugly monster. Giant ugly monster. And we can call him for short. You know what that spells? Go. His initials is go. I won't. We're gonna put this in a real.
Sheila, that looks great. That looks really, really great.
This is how they power up. Every time they run out of energy, they just go back to their eggs and then.
That's great, buddy.